Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Last video we discussed about a parents module. In this video we can continue parents module, but we need to provide here my student. Suppose this is the parent, so what is the total student there in this parent? So we need to do here one button, my parent means my students, and my student inside we need to show his student, like this parents is like a 3 student, this parents is like 2 students, like this. Suppose here is the 2 student there, so we need to assign for here in this list, means in this parents. Before we can start this video, you are new in the channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification, you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy script, just go to official website and you can buy it, errorsolutioncode.com, you can see it here. Okay, so first we need to open the users tables. Users table inside we need to create a new column like a parent ID. This is the created by ID there, but now we need a parent ID. So some parents inside we need to assign some students. This reason we need. So just you can add after ID parent ID. So we need to know about this student parents ID. Like this student, he is the parents, this one integers, and here you can put it null. Okay, just you can add a new ID inside users table parent ID. Now we need to put here another button, my students. So just go to source resources, views, backend, parents, inside list.blade.php. Let's make some zoom out so you can see it clearly. And here we need to create a new buttons like a my students. I can provide a name, I don't want to use like a round bounds, so just you can do it like a simply. Here I can put it like primary class primary, and parents, here I can do it my student, means parents my students, and here you can see it like a icon, so just you can remove icon and here you can write like my students. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see it, new button is available, my students. Once you click on the buttons, so we need to open the new page about the panel parents my students, and here we have passed for the parents ID. So routes, inside it go to web.php, just scroll down so you can see parents all the routes, just put it here, and here you can change, and here you can do it like my students. Now we need to go to parent controller, inside we need to create a new function as a my students app http controller. Inside we can go to backend, and here you can see parents controller. Let's write above, so we don't want to go down these reasons, my students, and here you can pass like a parent ID, because this is the we are getting parents ID. And let's copy for this all thing about listing and put it here, and here you can type like a my students. So now we need to create a new page my student inside a parent folders directory, whatever you can say, but just you can leave it right now like this way, but I will do proper way, so don't worry about that. Now we can go to backends, inside need to go to parents, inside we need to create a new file as a my student.blade.php, and just you can copy all the list.blade.php and put it inside a my students. Here we can remove other things, just leave it only delete button. Okay, and other thing whatever information we need to show, we can show, so don't worry about that. Right now you can leave it, and we don't need a create button, create parents, so just leave it. Here you can type my student parents my student, like this you can type parents my student list, and also you can type here parent my student search, and here also you can type parents my students, and here you can do it like parents only. Let's refresh the page, we can check it is working not working. So just you can refresh the page, after we can see it, just click on the my students, so you can see parents my student also is the highlights. Now here we need to search for this student, and here is the once you can search, so bottom one you can find out like a list of the parents, and after here is another button add to parent list, you can click on the add to parent list, after you can find out here listing. it is working like this way. So here this is the student ID, first name, last name, email, gender, status we don't need, just remove it here. Okay, just you can remove here, and here you can make it like a proper way for the URL. So let's make reset URL proper way. This is the ID need dynamic, so just type parents ID, and here you can pass the parent ID inside a controller. So simply you can use $data parent ID is equal to $parent ID. So let's go back, and here you can type parents my students, the name of the parents my students. Let's go back, refresh the page here. So we need to check error there, not there. Okay, I forgot to semicolon, this is an error generated, but let's refresh the page again. So error is gone. Now you can reset, so it's working same URL. Okay, now here you need to search students. So I think I need to remove here, we just need to provide like a student search, otherwise search student, whatever name do you want to like, you can use it. So just you can put it here, search students. Okay, just you can search the students and refresh the page here. So you can see search students. Now here parents my student list, because he is assigned this list, you can find out. So here we need to need first name, last name, email, and gender. Occupation we don't need, remove it here. Occupation we don't need, address we don't need, status we don't need. Create date you can leave it, and gender also you can leave it. So he need to know about his son, his daughter, this reasons. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it, this is the parent my student. I know this is the wrong list, but we need to make a proper another list, so don't worry about that. Now we need to find out the list, so we need to make query. Simply here is another query there, get parent. So here you can type get parent my student, and here you can pass like a parent ID. We don't want to pass any other ID, just we need a parent ID, because this parent against what is the student there we need. Go to users models, and inside you can see it my parents, you just copy, otherwise get teacher, whatever do you want to like, you can copy, but I think I copy my parents and I put here, and I just change the function name, and we don't need any filter here, so just remove all the filter, because of the filter is not usable, only parents is like 3 or 4 students, so why we need a filtering, simple. Above filter for this search student, and we need to add here you can make like a parent ID, because we already passed this parameter, we don't need other parameter. Here you can change, and here also you can change, and student is admin is equal to student is whatever their role we need to put. So here we need to check student role is a 6, so just you can push here 6. Okay, and paginate is equal to 20. We don't need pagination, so just you can remove also pagination, because it's a very simple query there. Parent said parent ID, and is admin equal to 6, and is delete is equal to 0, and ID is equal to descending order. Okay, now let's go back again, and here also we need to change, but let's refresh the page first. It's working, not working, so just go back again and refresh the page here. So error there, so we need to solve the error, so don't worry about that. Undefined variable, okay, appends, because of we need to remove here pagination, we don't need any more pagination, so you can remove it here. Okay, and refresh the page again, so you can see record not found, parent my student list not found. Otherwise you can sort out parents, you can remove, and here you can do it like my student list, so he can understand. Okay, and now we need to create another tab same like this way, like a search student list. So just you can copy all thing and put it here, and here you can make like search student list. Suppose you can search above whatever student, and you can find out, so we need to show list bottom. Here you can see it here, search student list. Okay, so same list, and here you can find out like add to parents like this. So first we need to make a search filter. So search filter is the same as working, just we need to create a new function, get students. So simply we need to make here $data get my students, and here we have already there for the function about sorry, not parent list inside, we need to put inside a my student inside. Just you can go to student, you can go to where I can told you 1 minute be student controller, and you can copy all thing and put it here, because of is already there. So why we need to create? Get students already there. Also you can passing like is admin and passing about the id, about the what I say about the school id. This is the school id, means his login, and this is the his type. So already get, and also here the all thing there, but pagination there, so don't worry, paginate always need here, but we don't want to declare pagination, so simply just you can use it like this pagination. Here you can change get my student, and now you can go to back again to student list, and just you can change here variable name my students, and we don't want to need his school name, so just you can remove the school name here, and here also we don't need, remove it, and just scroll down here, you can remove it because this is the only for school, we don't want to show in admin side. Admin side we need, so I can short out in next video, but right now you can leave it here only. Okay, so just you can remove it. Let's go back again, and here you can change the variable my students. So just refresh the page here, so you can see 2 students showing, but we don't want to show directly student, whatever search student we need to show, without search we don't want to show. So simply we need to make here condition like if is not empty dollar request sorry dollar means request get like id, or let's make all the one by one, like 3 4 there, so just I copy paste, after we can sort out. Okay, like id is done, name, another is the last name, and last one is the email is not empty, so going to inside, and we need to show the list, otherwise we don't want to show. So you can make it else, and here you can make it and if, and else inside you need to show record not found. So let's go back again, we can check it's working not working. So I just refresh the page, so you can see here can't data found, but you can search here and record found, so showing but this student not found. So okay, let's go to student list, and I can search for this student is the id number 12. I search for 12 and press, so you can see one student found. So here we don't need delete button, here we need a button name add to parents. So here you can change button name add to parents. Same like you can go to student list, parent list, inside my student button there, just copy and put it here. Please carefully watch what I am doing, okay, otherwise it's impossible to understand easily. Here you can make like a add to parent, means this student you are search, here is a button name add to parents, you click on the button, so this parent, this student is going to this parents like id number 13. So here you can find out the list. So we need a 2 id, one is like student id, second one is a for the parents id. So I always concat here parent id, and here you can my student, like a here you can write any route, do whatever do like add to add student, like just you can make it like parent add student. So we need to know about like this is the parents inside add student. Okay, just copy this name and go to web.php and create a new route, and here you can change parents my student, here you can make like a add students, and here you can do it new function, and here we have passed 2, so one is a student id, one is a parent id, because 2 parameters there, and just you can change the student id because I don't want to make mix up these reasons. Okay, so just go to parents controller, and here we need to create a new function, here you can put it student id, and after we need to provide a parents id. Now we need to get the user, get users, other type direct users dollar user models, get single for the student id, and here you can assign parent id because we have already created a new column in starting time, parents id, and just you can save and just you can use return redirect back. Let's copy bottom function so we can do it very easily. Return redirect back, parents student successfully assigned, whatever you can like student successfully assigned, like this message you can show. Okay, assigned. Let's go back again, we can try it's working not working. Just refresh the page here and add to parents. So you can see student successfully assigned. Now here you are assigned, so we need to remove here, we don't want to show anymore. Suppose I make a reset, so here you can see search student and search student list, but here this is the my student is there in this parent because this is the daughter son whatever there is, female means daughter. Now we need to put here remove button. Suppose do you want to remove, so you can remove it. So simply you need to make again another routes. First you can go to my student list, here scroll down and here you can see parents select delete. So here you can make my student delete, and this is the id you can leave it. So we need to make a parent id null. Just go back again and here you can create a new function, and we don't want to passing here like parents id, just student id. So just you can type here my student delete. Simply you can create a new function inside parent controllers functions, and here you can pass student id, and here you can type null because of the nulls, whatever blank whatever do you want, like I make it null. Okay, because null is working this reason. Student successfully unassigned. Okay, because the assigned they are unassigned now. And here go to my student list, and here you can make it here danger icon is already there, so we don't want to change anything. Just refresh the page here and you can press enter. Are you sure do you want to process? I think we need to write are you sure do you want to delete? Yes, it's deleted. Also you can see it is it deleted now, not showing anymore. Suppose I can search again like a 12, so you can see it. Now we also need to show your parent name because we need to know about you are searching any student, so we need to know okay this student is already there inside parents, so we need to show is the parent's name. We don't want to do directly, so simply you can add another one, student name mobile number after parent name. Suppose already there, so we need to know okay these reasons. And after gender we add so td, and here you can put it like a dollar value. I know we need to create a new function, but I will show you, don't worry. Okay, get parent is not empty. I think we need to make if condition because we need to show first name last name these reasons. So going to inside and we need to show here name and last name, so you can see it here. Okay, now we need to create a new function inside a users model, same like we have created for the created by, you can see it. So just copy and you can change is a created by id with parent id. Here you can put it parent id. So let's go back again, we can check it's working not working. So just refresh the page here. Okay, get parents. Okay, because redeclaration get parents because this is the already there, get parent student. Okay, just you can create a like this function and you can change here because this function already there, this is the reasons. Okay, get parent students, I think get parent data, I think so, get parent data. Data you can type student is like a not correct words, this reason you can type data. Okay, and also you can change here get parent data. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see parents name not found, I think we have made a wrong place, these reasons. Let's go back again. Mobile numbers we have removed, I think mobile number here not removed. I don't want to show mobile number other student list, this reasons. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. Something issue there again, like first name, last name, email, gender, parents name, gender, action. So mobile number already there here in any place. Status there, gender there, first name, last name there. Profile, first name, last name, email, gender, our parents name, status, credit dates. Status we have removed, this is the problem. Okay, we need to add a status here. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see parent name not found, but I add to parents. After you can see parent dates. Suppose you are making filtering, so we need to know about like this is the student already their parents. We can make it hide the button, but suppose do you want to change the parents for the student, so you can do it. This reason we don't want to hide. Otherwise I can hide. Suppose I am going to another ID. Suppose I search as a test, okay, in first name. Let's remove this one and I search here test. So you can see here two students showing, but one student is the parents there, is already assigned here bottom, but one student is there no parents. Suppose you click on the add to parents, so you can see two students there, and you can remove here. Are you sure do you want to remove? So you can see it here is the removed also, you see. So this is the list inside, this module inside. I have show you how to show parent inside students. Just you can click on my students, so you can see it here like one student there. Whatever you can search the student record, you can find out, and after action inside you can add to parents. So all thing done inside a parent module. Now next video we can continue about teacher login, student login, and parents login, because we have not covered about the login system for this one. So next video I can show you about the logins. Okay, so do you have any question for this video? So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more?